Hello, you welcome to my channel. My name is Engineer Ladan Bashini John. In this video, I want to teach you how to sell anything to make money for yourself on Facebook. What did I say? I want to teach you how to use Facebook to sell anything and make money for yourself. Are you ready? Let's go there. But before we go there, I will enjoin you, I will ask you to please like the video, to please subscribe to the channel, and to make comments. Whatever you think of the video, I would love you to put your thoughts in the comment section. Now let's go there now. Go to Facebook, whether on your laptop or on your handsets. For example, I'm going to go to my Facebook app. Beautiful. What can you see? This is my profile page, and I'm going to click on, look on top of my page. You see number 2 in red and number 8. Now that thing that is in between, okay, click on it. Fantastic. What can you see? Top on the Facebook marketplace. Now in marketplace, after marketplace, what can you see? You see sell, you see categories, but you want to sell. Now let's assume you want to sell cars. Okay, now click on sell, because that's the intention of using the marketplace. Click on sell. Now what can you see below? Can you see create new listing? Now create new listing means you need to upload what you want to do, what you want to sell. Now let's click on cars, or vehicles rather. Tap on vehicles. Wait for it. Fantastic. This is an environment. Now you can see this is my name because I already have a marketplace where I sell things. Now this is my name, but I'm using this environment to help you know the step-by-step process. All right. Now the next thing you're going to do is tap on this plus sign where you say add photos. Okay, click on it. It takes you straight to your gallery. Now in your gallery there are a lot of pictures. It's expected that you have pictures of what you want to load, the picture of the vehicle, okay? So, but don't worry, I'm not going to. So if the picture is there, all you need to do is to tap on the picture, all right, and it takes you there. But let us close it. Now, after you've done that, let's assume you've done that. The next thing is that go to title, put the title of the vehicle, the title of what you want to do. You may just say, okay, title will be Toyota Land Cruiser, okay, or Toyota Prado, whatever the title may be. Put it there. Come to price, put the price there. Come to category, click on it, choose the category, whatever category you may see, you can see, okay. Just scroll up and scroll down. You'll be able to click on anything you want. Then location, can you see? You put Nigeria, all right. Now Facebook is saying allow Facebook to access your location, so don't worry, we're not interested in that. You can say allow, but that's not what we're going to do. We're just making a video, so let's just say deny. Go back. Of course you can say allow, okay, but I'm saying deny because I don't intend to upload anything. Now then come to description. Describe the vehicle, the condition of the vehicle, okay. Then put a tag, okay. Your tag could be very good car, okay. It could be very good car. It could be the tires are good. It could be leather seats. It could be open roof and things like that. Whatever you may want to put briefly about the car, okay, that's what you're going to put in tag. All right. So when you are done, let's go back, please. Let me go back to vehicles again. Go back to vehicles. Now when you are done, what would you do? See, it says offer delivery, okay. You can highlight this button. Can you see? But let's off it. Highlight it. Then get automated tips on support. That is if you want support on this. Once you are done, you're going to click on next, okay. Now it's telling me it's showing red because I didn't feel anything, all right. But I think I need to put some title so that you understand exactly. Let's just put a title. Let's say Toyota. Let's say Toyota. Okay, Toyota. Let's say 5 million. Okay, 5 million. Now let's say the category is vehicle, location Lagos. Let's say description. Let's say blue silver or bluish silver. Okay. All right. Let's just leave it like that. Tag. Let's see. Leather seats. Let's say leather seat. Leather seats. Seat, okay. And then you can also say comma let's say quality tires, brand new tires. Let's say brand new tires, okay, and so on and so forth, whatever you want to put there. Okay, once you're done, you can just say offer delivery, click on this. All right, when you're done, now go up here, and then let's just put a picture here. Look for a picture. We're just trying to demonstrate something. Let's look for a picture. Let's see, let me just put a picture. Let's assume there's a picture. Okay, so can you see below it says next? All right, so the picture is uploaded. Now you can put as many pictures as possible. So let's just say next. Now it's a list publicly. You want it to be seen by everybody, right? Click on the look at it, has ticked automatically for you already because everybody needs to see. Now list in your groups. If you want it to go to groups that you already in, you just highlight them like this. Okay, highlight them like this, as many as you want. When you finish, you just click on publish. The moment you click on publish, it goes live. I hope you have learned something in this video. If you do, please give me a like, share this video, okay? And if you still want me to do videos on more things concerning Facebook and how to make money on Facebook or how to sell anything on Facebook, if anything is not clear to you, please send me a DM. My number is 08069 69847239. 08069847239. Send me a WhatsApp message. Tell me what you want me to do. I'm going to do a video personally to you and send it to you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for staying tuned. God bless you and see you next time. Bye-bye.